welcome back to our Indian session. Hope you all understood my previous video. Have you all completed your worksheet? Yes, very good. What have we seen in our previous video? Do you remember? Yes, very good. So, Taro's reward, is it? Taro's reward. Who was Taro? Yes, very good. Taro was a young woodcutter, is it? So, and how he was, yes, a thoughtful son. So Taro was a thoughtful son, and he also think of to fulfill his parents' wish, is it? So that he tried a lot, and he tried to get a say for his father, and then he tried to get that say. That time there was a magic water, and then the village people also tried the water, but it was not there. So these and all we have seen in that, is it? So at the end we have seen that Taro got a reward from the Japan emperor, is it? And what is the reward he got? Yes, 20 pieces of gold, and then a waterfall was named after Taro, is it? And then the king thought all the children should follow Taro. They should, the children should obey their parents like that. The king thought. So these are the things we have seen. And in our last class itself, I told you to obey your parents. Are you all obeying? Yes, very good. Good children. Okay. Then here in this session, we are going to see one interesting thing. What you are doing every day at home. Can you guess? What you do at home every day nowadays? Even now, you are not having school, you are staying at home. Some of you may have brother, sister. What you are doing now? Are you playing with your brother and sister, or are you fighting with them? Fighting. Okay, don't do that. Okay, very good. Some of you are playing with them. Very nice. Keep it up. Okay. Here we are going to see a poem. Okay. So the poem title is The Quarrel. Okay. What's the title? The Quarrel. What is quarrel? What do you mean by quarrel? Fight. Okay. Quarrel is a fight. What you are doing with your brother and sister. Am I correct? Yes. So here we are going to see about a quarrel. Okay. And it is written by Eleanor Forgy. Eleanor Forgy. She is a her period is 1881 to 1965. What's her period? 1881 to 1965. She is a good poet and writer, and she got some awards also for her writing. Okay, she got some awards for her writing. Like this are some day-to-day life happenings. Okay, the things. See, this quarrel and all happened in our life every day, is it? So like this day-to-day life, she has concentrate on that. And she has given this poem to us. Okay, yes children. Before go to this quarrel, do you have any quarrel with your brother or sister? Can you explain me? Yes, you just, in worksheet I will ask you this question. You just write it. Okay. The quarrel which happened recently, or at any time you can't, unforgettable one. Okay, with your brother or sister. Okay? Yes. Usually it happens at all home, is it? Mostly it happens for that remote, is it? You are watching TV. That time you will be watching something interestingly. That time your brother or sister, they may like to see some other thing. So that time the quarrel will start. Is it? For the remote. Sometimes it will start for the snacks. Sometimes there may be a few snacks, both of you may like that. So that time there will be a quarrel. I need this much, you need that much. I want that only, you want this only. So like that. So even though it is wrong one, quarrel with a brother and sister is a wrong thing, because we have to, you should friendly with them, you should be kind with them, but sometimes it will be interesting. As such. So when after grow up in your future, okay, you will be thinking this. So we were fought with our brother and sister like this, no? How silly we were. Like that we will be thinking, and it will be funny at that time. Okay. So quarreling is okay, but it should not cross that limit. It should be in a limit, just for some happiness. Okay. So when it is in that limitation, it will be a happy one. When it crosses the limitation, it will become a big one, and it will not be solved by anyone. I said even the parents will be struggled by you. Okay, children. Yes, let's come to the poem. Yes, the quarrel. It's common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, all through something they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? So what they are asking. So it's common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. So it is common between brother, sister, okay, but sometimes we are not able to say why the quarrel happened. Without any reasons we will be quarreling. Sometimes it might be for snacks or remote, sometimes nothing will be there. So we will be happy only, we will be playing, we just doing something among ourselves, but suddenly there will be a quarrel. We don't know why it happened itself. We are not able to answer for that quarrel. After your parents will come and ask you what happened, why are you quarreling, what is the problem, like they will be asking. Then only you will be thinking, why we are quarreling now, what's the reason, what happened, like that we will be thinking. So it will be, sometimes it will be like this silly. Okay, yes. But how long do such quarrels last? How long these quarrels go on? For one day? Yes. Sometimes it will go for one day, sometimes it's just a few hours. Okay. Yes. How do they end? How do the quarrels end? Who will compromise? Whether your brother or yourself, or your sister or yourself. Who will be that person compromising? Okay, fine. Yes, let's start the poem. I just read these lines first, and then let's see it line by line. Okay? See the poet. Here this poet is quarrel. Okay. I quarrel. Here this I is the poet. Whom does the I refers? I refers to the poet. I refers to the poet. Who is the poet? Yes. Elena Forgy. I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So what's happening here? I just read the poem one more time. Just listen. You have a pencil in your hand. Yes. I with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother tapped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Yes. Have you understood? It's given in a simple way only. They didn't use any new words here. It is used in a simple language. Yes. I quarreled with my brother. So the poet is I. Here the poet is I. Poet is quarreling with her brother. Okay. So there was a quarrel between the poet and the poet's brother. Okay. Who is quarreling here? The poet and poet's brother is quarreling here. Okay. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. What she is saying. I quarreled with my brother, but I don't know why do we quarrel. So without any reason they were quarreling. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. So one thing led another. So what? Sometimes the quarrel may be started with one thing. While it keep on going, it will jump to some other reasons, and when it ends, that time it will be some other thing. Okay. For example, first you just imagine your quarrel was started with homework. Okay. Sometimes your brother or sister may ask you to help for the homework. Is it? So you just imagine. So your brother or sister asked you to help in the homework. That time you were busy with your work. So you started to quarrel with him. You just imagine. Okay. So the quarrel was started in the homework. Okay. So it would be started in the homework. Then you will be jumped into another reason. Maybe morning your brother may not wait for you to go for the school. Okay. Or morning you may decided to go for bath first, but your brother may went inside the bathroom first. So that there might be some quarrel. Okay. So morning you didn't get any time to quarrel for that. So now it is including here. Okay. That morning problem is including now with that homework problem. Okay. So after that you will be jumping to another one. While eating, your brother or sister, they may eat your breakfast. Is it? And in the snacks box, you may mistook the brother's or your sister's snacks box instead of yours. Okay. So like this, one by one, it will be jumping. Okay. So actually it was started for the homework, but it was jumping to some other cause, whatever happened from the morning or whatever happened in the last week. Sometimes it also happens. Okay, last week something maybe happened. Now you will be quarreling for that one. Okay, sometimes these things will be happen, and then you will jump like that. You will be going, and at the end it will be stopped with some other problem. Okay, so the starting point will be something like homework. Okay, so after that you jump. So at the end there will be some other problem like snacks. Okay, can you understand what I am telling? So the starting problem, the quarrel starts with a particular problem, okay, but it keep on jump, it ends with some other problem. Okay, so sometimes it happens. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, that is one thing. So it started this one, then it led to another one, it led to another one, it led to another one. So like this, one thing led to another. And somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. So when it starts, it was light. When the quarrel started, it was light. Just start with a low pitch. Okay, like why sister, why are you doing like this? Or why brother, why you do like this? Don't do this, like that. It will be started slightly. But while it ends, we can't explain how it would be. Okay, so sometimes all the things, whatever you have in the room, whatever you are having in the home, that might be spreaded all the places in your by your quarrel. Is it? When your parents enter the home and see, they will get upset. Is it, children? So it starts slightly as a talk, okay, but it ends in a without explained words. Okay. Yes. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So he said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So what she is telling? Here brother is telling he is right. But I know he was wrong. Okay, so like that one is what I am saying, what I am telling is right, you are wrong. But brother will say, no, you are wrong, I am correct. So like that, they start quarrel. He said he was right. So he is telling, I am right. But the poet is telling, no, you are wrong, I am the right. Like that, the poet is telling. So like this, not only between this poet and brother, so in all the homes it goes on like this only. Okay, not between the small children, even the grown-ups. We hated one another. So when the quarrel keep on going, we will start to hate each other. I don't like you. You are not my sister. You are not my brother. I don't want you to be in this home. Let me go to some other place. Let me go to my aunt's house, or let me go to grandma's house, or it's better I stay in hostel. So you are not my brother. So like that, they used to talk. Okay, so they hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So they have started to quarrel in the morning. So keep on quarrel, shout. So the afternoon was black to them. So they didn't like the day itself. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. So suddenly the brother thumped me, just a beach. Okay, lovable beach. And said, oh, come along. We can't go on all night. Oh, come on, yeah. Why should we quarrel like this? It won't go for the whole night. Okay, you just come. Let's play. Let's leave this quarrel like that. And I was in the wrong. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. So what is telling? So the brother told him, oh, come along. We can't go on all night. We can't go on the whole night. So what he's just telling, okay, leave it. Let's play. Why it keep on going like that? The brother is telling, I was in the wrong. So here she is telling, okay, I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. Okay, now she is accepting. Okay, I am the wrong. My brother is right. Okay, like that they were talking and they just end the quarrel. Okay, so like this only all the quarrels happen. I said. So even though it is a big one, okay, so it is in our hand how to end it. Even sometimes the quarrel might be a big one, but we just take it in an easy way and we end it in a simple way. Okay, but sometimes the starting will be simple, but while ending it will blast as a big one. Okay, so it is according to our mindset, how we are taking that. Okay, whatever it is, we should take it in an easy way. We should take it in a sportive way. Okay, so if we follow this, our life will be very happy. Okay, you just imagine always you are fighting with your brother or sister. Every day, the whole day, day by day, you are doing this one thing. So how your life will be? It will not be a good one. In future, there will not be any sweet memories to think about it. So instead of that, we just play together. We just talk something with your brother or sister. You just discuss something, and you just do some other work with them. You just mingle with your brother and sister. So that time it will be something interesting. Every day it will be interesting. So every day you will be playing. Okay, this today let's play this game. Tomorrow let's play this game. So newly. Okay, every day we find ourselves new. We just play with them and we enjoy ourselves. So in future we will be thinking. So when I was young, when I was a small girl, I was playing like this. No, I was playing with my brother. So that was a nice memory. It's a sweet one. Like that we will be thinking and we will be very happy for that. Okay, so it is in our hand. Whatever it is, we should take it in an easy way. Okay, even these quarrels, sometimes it will happen. Okay, sometimes these kind of quarrels happen. But we should end it with the happiest way. Okay, because sometimes it will be fun. It will be funny to think, I said. So, this is the thing. Okay, so the poem is over. So, what you learn from there? We should take a quarrel in a sportive way. Okay. Yes. Will you follow this? Very good. Okay. Yes, children. That's all our poem. So you just go through it and complete your worksheets. Okay. So from this, what you learn? Yes. Very good. So we should not quarrel. Even though it is a quarrel, it should be in a sportive way. Okay. You should take it in a sportive way. Okay. Yes, children. See, here we have some rhyming words. Okay. See, for example, brother, another, about, out, strong, wrong. So these are some rhyming words. Okay, you just go through this poem and find some rhyming words like this. Okay, just complete your worksheet. Let's meet in our next session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.